Hey there, engineering warriors. Are you feeling the heat of those complex subjects in electronics and communication engineering? Are you battling with concepts that seem to be as elusive as they are essential? Well, worry no more. I'm thrilled to announce something special just for you. Introducing ECE Master, your go-to destination for mastering the intricacies of electronics and communication engineering. I'm Roberts, your guide on this exciting learning journey. We understand the struggle, which is why we're offering free live sessions exclusively for you. Whether it's understanding signal processing or delving into electronic circuits, these sessions are tailor-made to ease your burden and boost your confidence. But here's the catch. You need to register beforehand using the Google form linked in the description below. Spots are limited, so grab yours before they're gone. And the best part? These sessions are live, interactive, and completely free of charge. It's your chance to ask questions, clear doubts, and connect with fellow engineering enthusiasts. But wait, there's more. Make sure to subscribe to our ECE Master YouTube channel for regular updates, exclusive content, and insider tips to ace your exams. Together, let's unlock the secrets of electronics and communication engineering. See you in our live sessions.